In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a PDF into a presentation using Gamma AI. First, go to the official Gamma AI website. Once you're on the home page, click Create New, then click Import File or URL. Next, choose how you want to import your file. You can choose between Upload a file, Import from Drive, or Import from URL. In this tutorial, we will use Upload a file. Select the PDF file from your device, click Open, and wait for it to upload. Once the upload is complete, choose what type of content you would like to create. You can select Presentation, Web Page, Document, or Social, then click Continue. On the Prompt Editor page, you can choose between Freeform or Card by Card. Freeform is faster because the AI divides your content into cards automatically. Card by Card is more precise because you specify the content on each card. You can also add pages if you want. However, adding more than 10 pages requires upgrading your subscription. You can also reduce the number of pages if needed. Next, choose how you want to enhance your PDF content. You can select Preserve to reformat while keeping the original content. Condense to shorten the content and make it more concise and presentable. Generate to fill in your outline with additional details. For this tutorial, we will use Generate. Choose the amount of text you want, then edit the description details and tone of the presentation. Once you're done, click Generate and wait for it to finish. You can watch as the AI creates your presentation. After that, you can start editing your presentation. To change the theme, click Theme at the top, then choose from your custom designs. You can also click Standard and select from the available options. You can also add basic blocks by clicking the Basic Blocks icon on the right side. Choose from text, tables, lists, call-out boxes, interactive elements, and more. Just click and drag them to the page where you want to add them. You can also add images, smart layouts, smart diagrams, charts and graphs, videos, and other media. You can embed apps and web pages and add forms and buttons as well. If everything looks good, you can now export your presentation. Click the three dots beside your profile, then click Export. Choose between PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PNG. Click your preferred format and the export will begin. For example, if you export to PowerPoint, it will start downloading automatically. And that's it. That's how you turn a PDF into a presentation using Gamma AI.